If you're over 50 and you're not using AI yet, you're losing about 8 hours a week. Here's the math. 8 hours a week is 32 hours a month. That's a full work week of your time every month going to things AI could do faster. Email triage. AI does it in 5 minutes. You likely spent a significant amount of time writing the first draft. AI does it in seconds. Research before a meeting. AI does it in minutes. You might spend an hour. Meal planning, gift ideas, travel research. AI does it in a few minutes. You spend 90. That's at least 8 hours of your week, every week that you're paying with your life. At even $40 an hour, that's $16,000 of your time disappearing each year. The reason you're not using AI yet isn't intelligence. You're plenty smart. It's that nobody's shown you the setup. I made a 7-day guide to get you started. See the link in the description below.